Hey guys, I'm Jerusha and you're watching Jerushacouture TV. 4 other people came into the boutique after me wanting this bag. I'd like to thank today's video sponsor, and that is Ideal. Not only have I worked with Ideal in the past, but Ornella, their CEO and director, is honestly the sweetest human being I've ever worked with. Just talking with her, she naturally follows my videos and just knows I would love her product, and that is from the beginning when I first started partnering with her and her amazing diamond jewelry line. Okay, so straight up, let me show you these items that Ideal has sent out. I want to tell you that they have offered me a personal discount code for me, so it is Jerushacouture 10. Look at this packaging, you guys. It's so incredibly beautiful. It is just done to a T, and it's just like the most exquisite, kind of simple yet elegant, and just done so well. When you feel the textures, it's so nice. I also want to make mention that it's really fast delivery. They DHL everything with signature. These are such great ideas of gifts, especially for the holiday season. So this is the main thing I want to explain about Ideal and why I love working with the brand. These are sustainable lab-grown diamonds. They are set in solid 14 karat gold. This is all such high quality material that you can wear for years. You can shower in, sleep in, work in. Ideal is known for its revolutionary designs for modular jewelry. The way you can interchange these items from just a plain stud, you can have the dangling earring there, and then you could link that up to, they have ear cuffs. So please do go ahead and check out my exclusive coupon code just for me, for you guys to use. 10% off store-wide on their website. I will leave their website below. Please check it out. So that is all the items. Today you can see I am rocking my necklace and beautiful earrings. The modular settings are so cool. The actual diamond studs are always in. So that is all the items. Today you can see I am rocking my necklace and beautiful earrings. The modular settings are so cool. The actual diamond studs are always in. The back piercing, because I don't like to sleep on. God love my Tiffany & Co earrings, but they have such a big back, whereas Ideal don't. It's so like dainty and beautiful, so when I sleep, I'm a heavy sleeper, so it sits back here in this piercing. But today we have our modular setting on. Do we love it? Thank you so much to Ideal for sponsoring this video and partnering with me. I truly appreciate it. You guys are so fantastic. Okie dokie, onto this ginormous bag. This is the Christmas packaging. The Louis Vuitton Lego, not quite sure what's going on. I do know the Kasama line is being launched again. They're working with her again. It did do well the first time. Sometimes I feel like, are we beating a dead horse, Vuitton? I'm not quite sure. Just my opinion, just my pleasant opinion. Inside this shopping bag is the box. Here is my proof of purchase. If you watched my last vlog, my LTK event and appearance, and then I went shopping at Bondi Junction. You may have seen my reaction, and a subbie did point that out. Hi doll, she was like, you just seem so underwhelmed, and I was. I couldn't hide it. I never hide it anyway. I'm so real, you guys know that. And I was incredibly underwhelmed. I had wanted to see this for so long, and obviously the situation was, you know, I just wanted to discuss it, whatever. If you watch that vlog, I will link it below. Please go back and watch it. We didn't have an outcome we wanted, but nevertheless, this was in the boutique, and as I said in the opening, 4 people wanted this behind me after I walked in. So here's the little Christmas card. Again, the Lego. It's a vibe. So we'll go ahead and unbox together. Here we go. Ta-da! Down inside the box, you can see by the shape, right? We have this dust bag, and I actually requested that. Whether your boutique, you know, has a spare drawstring dust bag or not, for the price of this item, I wanted a drawstring dust bag. I just didn't want, you know, Louis Vuitton need to step it up. As far as I'm concerned, I'm happy to talk about it, but they need to step it up. Off topic, don't get me started, I'll get sassy. But I requested this dust bag and the SA ended up getting it for me to put the most hyped, sought after bag from the runway collection that just dropped for Louis Vuitton ever. I cannot believe how many people, like literally 4 people, bang, bang, bang after me. I was sitting down looking at it. If you watched that vlog again, you saw the essays kept coming up from the other clients saying, oh, can we see that? Is that lady gonna purchase it? And I just kept saying, oh, I'm still looking at it. So this is the brand new Louis Vuitton side trunk. It is right now an exclusive runway piece, which means it is not a rev piece. It's not going to come back, quote unquote, possibly. But that's what happened with the Petite Mal. It started as runway and then they made it a rev piece. They made it a classic. So depends on demand type thing. When I saw this on the runway, it just said Jerusha all over it. It also said Monique. Shout out to my Emerald Queen Monique. Hi babe. Mwah. Love you so much. I think you should be getting this sometime soon. It also says Monique all over it. Maybe she's already got it. Let's go over this amazing bag. As I said, it is called the side trunk. Again, gives off classic Louis Vuitton vibes with the trunk. Finishes all over it. You've got your latch kind of looking buckle here, obviously all 4 cornices in the brass hardware, and then you've got the the intricacy, I'll get close-ups of this bag is insane. Obviously it is such a high ticket item, but for the detail and the intricacy that this bag has, it's kind of like if you're a collector, you're an enthusiast. And I think if you know the brand or you know the houses and you're an enthusiast on it, this stuff gets you so excited. So the coolest thing about this is it comes with 2 straps. Again, Pochette Métis vibes, bang for your buck, kind of, sort of, not really. It is really expensive. I'll give you the price Australian. So you have like a mini itty bitty Pochette Métis, like the nano clasp on the side here. That is how you open it. Unzipping just on the top. At first I thought this would be quite short. I had heard it was quite short, meaning it would be hard to get in and out of. They stuffed it for me. If you had seen my last unboxing about Louis Vuitton and that vlog, my Keep All 45, which is no longer here, no, was not stuffed. And I just was so unhappy with it. So there we go, without sort of pulling it apart too hard. There you can see down inside is the 2 straps. So I really thought this would be quite short and hard to get into, but in retrospect, when after I, you know, inspected it and was looking with it and I sat with it for the longest time, I'm pretty sure the SA I was there with was just like scared shitless. He was just sitting there like, I'm really scared of this girl. Does she want it? Does she not want it? And a million essays kept coming up to me going, does she want it? And I was just like, I've lost my voice. Here is the inside. You can see it's the beautiful microfiber, rich in that kind of dark brown color. We've got tags, SKUs down in here, 2 of them, and then the made in stamp on the back right there. So this has no interior compartment, not even a zipper on the back or even a slip compartment. It has nothing. So I would definitely, hi Millie, need to get a Samorga bag organizer. Thank you so much. Sit down, best in the world. The coolest thing, this isn't a review, obviously I haven't used it, but I want to show you. It's that kind of we always say like pre-patina. This is my brand new Toiletry 15. See that? This is like raw vachette, and this is what I guess we mean by pre-patina. So it's kind of got that darker patina to it, which I love. So clipping it on just like that, boom. How cute. I did do like some mod shots in the boutique when I was trying it on. And it just, with this strap, oh, it's so good. It is so cute. But if you don't want to just have a handheld or over the shoulder strap, like a full buckle strap. It's not like the slip strap to, you know, make it kind of even a lower cost for them. You have the Louis Vuitton buckles, shiny, beautiful. Everything is engraved. Ta-da! Like so. So that can sit on your shoulder, or you can make it longer and crossbody. You could leave the handheld strap on if you're into that whole, you know, quick adjusting strap situation. I wouldn't be. Let's just show you, oh my god, this is becoming a review. Let's just show you quickly, well, I have my toiletry 15 here. That goes in, not a problem. Chanel zip card wallet there. Phone, which is a Pro. Just go in a line like that, like perfection. So gorgeous. So there is my new bag. The side trunk from Louis Vuitton. Runway only. Guys, if you are into this type of Louis Vuitton style, which that's cool, if you're not into canvas, not a problem, go out and see if you can find it, just to touch it and see what you think. It is not cheap. This is the higher end, much more of the trunk line, the luggage line. So this in Australia retails for 5,500 Australian dollars. Now you can see why I wanted to exchange for my keep-all for this, but it doesn't matter. That's irrelevant. I overlooked the timeline. That's not a problem. It was completely my fault. My last sit down video, Louis Vuitton unboxing, I mentioned this at the end of my video, and this is my Chanel mirror giveaway. I need to start by saying there is so much fraud, spam, fake hell going on YouTube. I have spoken to managers at YouTube. They are trying their hardest to stop it because it is misinformation. They are impersonating me. It is not me. I am verified on YouTube. I have a tick next to my name. I am the only one who can put a Jerusha Couture love heart next to your name. That's it. If someone replies to you telling you you've won my giveaway to text me Jerusha, that's not me. My account is Jerusha Couture. I'm verified. So as I said, a subbie reached out to me saying she found my world so enchanting, but she could never afford something like this, but just loved watching it. It hit me so hard because I just want to give it all away. I want you guys to have something like this too. First winner from that video has been picked. Here they are. Miss Moni. Hi babe, I have already contacted her. This is coming to you, babe. She is going through a hard time. All my love to you, Moni. Honestly, health is so important and she's really just going through it, and she has won this, and I am shipping this off to you, babe. You are the winner. So this one, number 2, this is what it looks like, is for you. So please, if you would like to win a Chanel double facets mirror like Moni just has, I would love you to like and subscribe to my channel. I would like you to comment in this video anything. You can comment whatever you like, have a chat to me, tell me what you think about the bag. I don't mind. I will personally choose the winner for this Chanel mirror. Me, personally. No one else. It has to be Jerusha Couture. They can't take that name, and it's verified with a tick. So thank you so much for watching, guys. Thank you so much to Ideal for sponsoring this video. Mwah, Ornella, love you so much. Thank you so much from the bottom of my heart. Please check out their website below for all of their Christmas deals they've got going on for little goodies. Some diamonds for Christmas. Why not? It's the zhuzh. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Take care. Peace.